In this video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over a lawn and leaf trash bag holder. Check this thing out, everybody. This is how it came to me, just in a little bag like this, and the handles, I'm guessing we just fold it up. So looking over what it says here, no assembly required. It's durable, easy to fill, recyclable. Fill a leaf bag in less than a minute. Well, we will put that to the test. Check your bag size. By the way, this only fits between 30 and 42 gallon bags. Does not fit larger than 42. You see right here, I have 30 gallon trash bags. So in theory, it should fit these. So let me go ahead, take this out of a little package here, and let's set this thing up. Moving it out, we don't need that anymore. Well, there's no instructions on this thing, but as you see right here, it basically just folds over, and then you pull the bag up over it. So I'll throw that away. So maybe, yeah, just like this, everybody. So it folds over like that, then you pull the garbage bag up on it. Okay, well, yeah, there it is. That'll work great. We can just rake it all in here. Let's go ahead, let's take it over to some leaves. I've got a rake and some leaves over here behind my shed, and we'll set this thing up and test it out. So raking these leaves up. Oh, that thing works great. Wow, that works pretty good. You just move it around as you need to move it around. So really all it's doing is just holding your bag open wider where you can fit it in there. Makes it where you can do it one person like this. So yeah, there it is. I tested it out. I think it works great. Let's go ahead and try to pull this out. Hold on to the bag, and I'm just going to slide this out, and we'll see how easily we can bag this up. I think I could get some more in there, but you know what? I'm just going to try to get this out and see how it works. One-handed, just like that. We get a bag of leaves. That worked great. I could easily add more in there. So I'm just going to get this just for my burn pile and put around kind of like some of my flower bed area. So these we'll use for that, and then I'll refill this bag up and do it again. So you could use the same bag multiple times. And like I said, this was the smallest bag that is available for this thing, but it goes all the way up to 42-inch bags, and I think a 42-inch bag would work even better on there. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got today on the Touri, trash bag holder, leaf and lawn bag holder. See you all in the next video.